Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about a wallet called Rainbow and why I potentially think they'll do an airdrop, etc., and how to interact with it. So obviously, per usual, nothing's financial advice in my video, and the airdrop is not guaranteed. So let's see what it is. So basically, it's a wallet, a mobile wallet. They recently launched an extension, and they had a mobile wallet for a while. I believe the Android came out way later. And if you see here, they've raised 19.5 million. Okay, for a wallet, guys, that's actually quite a bit. It's not like a layer one blockchain, etc., like that, or a DApp, etc. This is a wallet, okay, and they've raised on some very prominent names. So you got Y Combinator. They're obviously, if you've heard of them, you know who they are. Then you got 776. So this is the fund by Reddit's co-founder, okay, and then you got DCG. They're huge in crypto, one of the biggest crypto companies. They're on Coinbase. So yeah, here, so you got the co-founder Mike Delirious or something. Yeah, Mike Demorius. Talk about the fact that they have a reward system. They're gonna have a reward system, and they're gonna point system, and people that have points are gonna get rewards, aka potential airdrop, guys. Okay, so let's look at what you need to do. It's fairly straightforward. So what you want to do first is download the desktop app and the mobile. Okay, now, the thing about this wallet is I've been using it for a while. It's been going on since like, I think 2019. They've been developing since 2019, but I've been using it for several years because I genuinely like this wallet. The UI UX is very different compared to any other wallet in crypto. So here you can see they've got, they're saying you can mint NFTs directly in the wallet. This is not out on the extension, but it is out in their wallet. Okay. And then here, right now, they have a campaign for Optimism. So if you swap Bridge to Optimism within the wallet or the extension, or if swap within Optimism, you'll get airdrop that they do every month. Okay, so that's a campaign that they're doing right now. That's active. They had a previous campaign where if you bridged on base, they will give you I believe it was an NFT. 25 lucky winners will be airdrop citizens. I believe that's an NFT. So this is obviously expired, but the reason why I mentioned this is seems like they're gonna keep on having campaigns, and not only would you be rewarded for participating in the campaign, obviously this will matter when they do an airdrop potentially in the future, guys. Okay, and this is Rainbow is actually if you're like part of the Ethereum community, etc., you would have heard of them. They're like quite high caliber, and hence why I've decided to do a video of them. I'm not just doing it for the sake of it. So it will be quite hyped if they do an airdrop. Okay, so now I just want to show you the actual extension and the what you want to do in terms of interacting with it. So you got the usual ones, buy, so you can buy or on ramp, as in from fiat. Obviously, you can copy a wallet, send, etc. What I like about it is swap option. What you can do is you can do cross chain swaps. So you can go from like Ethereum on Ethereum to like USDC on a different chain, USDC on Arbitrum. Okay, so you can do cross chain swaps, and you can bridge. So let's say you got Ethereum on ETH chain, and then you can go to Ethereum on Optimism or any other chain. So just go here, choose Optimism, and now you can see bridge option. Okay, bridge, and then obviously the fees are going to be according to the network, and they do take a little fee as far as I understand. I think it's very similar to MetaMask, but for the convenience, and obviously everyone needs to eat, everyone you need to pay for, like the developer need to make money somehow, right? So it makes total sense. And so yeah, the UI UX, I've used it on the phone. It's amazing. It's one of the best I've seen in crypto. The flow and the interaction with it. So that's quite good. And then they have like different wallet options. So you have like you can click like 1, 2, 3 and switch between the wallets. Obviously you can't see it. I'm clicking the keyboard, and so that's quite good. What I also like about it is if you're on like let's say you're on Uniswap, and basically if you it will automatically switch to the network that you're on. So now you can see I'm on Ethereum network. Okay, now watch what happens when I go to Zora. So you can see Zora. If I connect my wallet, connect to Zora. Okay, now you will see, okay, saying that wallet is watched. Yeah, because I've got a Vitalix wallet. I'm sorry, I was watching his wallet. But yeah, so now you can see automatically it connected to the Zora chain. You can see here, guys, Zora, yeah. So like, and even if you change the Zora chain from here, if you change the Zora chain to a different chain, it will change automatically in the wallet and vice versa. So that's very cool about it. Okay, that's one thing I like about it. And lastly, I'll just talk about some upcoming features. So you can actually decide if you want to hold the wallet long term, and obviously you want to follow them on social media, etc. Okay, so first bonus feature, they got shortcuts. They got cross chain. I mentioned that auto network switching on ramp. Yeah, this is another cool thing. So if you're on a website and they don't have the rainbow, like to log in with rainbow, you can just choose MetaMask and it will choose rainbow basically. And if you don't want that to like mess up with your MetaMask, I just deactivate it. They do have a toggle, but it doesn't always work. So if you want to use them all the time, you can toggle it to it'll override MetaMask. But if you don't like it interacting with your interference or with the MetaMask, just completely take it off, as in disable the extension in your browser. What I like about it, they're gonna have custom networks coming up. So that means, you can add any chain that you want. They're going to have app extension syncing. What that means is if you got wallets on your app, you can basically sync it with your extension. Then they're going to have testnet support, which is similar to custom networks, but yeah, testnet support. They're going to have NFT support coming soon. And they got this interesting feature. It's called, they're going to have themes, but basically you'll be able to have certain themes based on the NFTs that you hold. So maybe like, if you got a Bored Ape, you can have access to a certain Bored Ape theme, etc. So I found that quite interesting, and also mini wallets with rainbow kits, which I found quite cool. So that the mini wallet. So basically, if you've used their rainbow kit, like you've interacted with their rainbow kit and logged into your wallet, now every website that uses rainbow kit will automatically have your wallet somehow. Obviously, I haven't seen this in use, but they mentioned it in the Bankless video, and that's gonna significantly reduce your like having to log in log out, because if this becomes like a standard, then you'll basically be automatically logged into all these. Obviously they're gonna do it in a safe way where your funds, they don't have access to your funds, but yeah, that'll be quite cool. Anyway guys, hope you got some value from this video. This one's a very early one, so I might potentially do another video if they come out with a lot more features, etc. But yeah, definitely stay up to date with these guys. They've done some really cool things. It's one of my favorite wallets. They're not perfect. They've got a lot of features they need to add, etc. But they're on a very good start. One of my favorite wallets, to be honest with you. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.